18 News First Alert Weather.
We're seeing a little bit of sunshine coming out this morning on our first day of summer from our Skycam and Emporia, sponsored by Washburn University, but a lot of cloud cover as well, as we currently have this complex of storms moving from the west to east out of our area, which brought a lot of rain overnight. But we did have a limited severe threat as it did dissipate more in central Kansas rather than here in northeast Kansas, which definitely was a plus for all of us who have experienced all of the severe weather that we've had in the area over the past couple months. But this is our view from our Prairie Van Casino and Resort live storm tracker right now, and we do have a flood watch in place as a result until around 1 p.m. A few river flood warnings as well, and maybe a few flood advisories across the area. There is a slight or marginal 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather today. Hail quarters the size of a hail the size of a quarter, damaging winds 70 miles per hour plus, and a low non-zero tornado threat. And as we track that out, we will see the potential for those conditional storms to pop up really south of the I-70 corridor. I'm not thinking it makes it all the way up to Topeka, but it could possibly if the ingredients are just right. So we need to be watching for that. But there is a moderate 3 out of 4 excessive rainfall risk for that south of the I-70, south of that I-35 corridor. And we will see between around a quarter to around 1.5 inches of rain across the area through at least around 12 p.m. tomorrow. Today's forecast, we will be in the 70s and 80s. We will see that rain taper off this morning. Then we'll see that conditional possibility for some storms as we go into the afternoon. For your Father's Day, if you have any plans, it will be pretty cloudy throughout the day, staying cloudy at least through lunchtime, with temperatures rising into the mid-70s and winds picking up from the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then by the time we get to around 4 p.m., just before dinner time, around 80 degrees north-northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So overall, it is looking like a day that we won't dry out completely. So if you're planning on going out for golf, maybe mowing the lawn, it may be a soggy one. You may have to stay on that cart path today because of the rain. Tonight's forecast, we will be in the 50s and 60s, and we will see those partly cloudy skies. Partly cloudy skies continuing into tomorrow in the 70s with those partly cloudy skies again. 8-day forecast. Today's the first day of summer and Father's Day. It looks to be rainy and cooler than average before warming up this weekend.